Local SEO. What is it, and how can you optimize your website or content for local SEO? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be discussing in this video, so let's dive in. So what is local SEO? Well, local SEO refers to the process of optimizing your website and your online presence to improve your visibility and your ranking in search results for a specific location. This means that when someone is searching for a product or a service in their local area, then your website will appear at the top of the results in the search. This idea of local SEO is particularly important for small businesses catering to their local area. By optimizing your website and your online presence for local SEO, you will increase your visibility, increase your engagement, and drive more targeted traffic to your website. So how do you optimize your website for local SEO? Well, let's look at several key factors that you need to consider. First is keyword research. You need to identify the keywords and the phrases that people are using to search for businesses like yours in your local area. Another key factor is on-page optimization. This means you need to optimize your website content, including page titles, meta descriptions, and your image tags to include your targeted local SEO keywords and location-specific information. Another key factor in local SEO is Google My Business. You need to claim and optimize your Google My Business listing. This listing will appear in Google Maps and other local search results. A fourth key factor in local SEO is local citations. You need to build citations and backlinks to your website from other local businesses to improve your online authority and your credibility. A fifth key factor in local SEO that you need to be aware of is customer reviews. Encourage your customers to leave positive reviews on your Google My Business listing and other online review sites to improve your online reputation and attract more customers. So by following these key strategies, you can improve your local SEO and attract more customers to your business. So if you're a small business owner or a local service provider, make sure to invest in local SEO to drive more traffic to your website and drive more targeted traffic to your website. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about local SEO. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please subscribe and leave a like below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, check out these videos down below. And again, thank you for watching.